Okay, so the intent of this video is to show you how to create a second tab and open up your Canvas classes so that you can work a little more easily. So you'll notice here that first I've got my dashboard open. I'm looking at all my classes, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my Canvas class by clicking on it. All right, but now I want to also open up my sandbox because I want to be able to um, start doing things in the sandbox that I can then put on my Canvas class and those discussions and things. So I'm going to go over here to my dashboard, and underneath it says courses. I'm going to right click on courses, and I'm going to use this button that says open in a new tab. When I do that, you'll be able to see a new tab show up here on the top that has my courses on it. So I have my Canvas opened up over here, my Canvas class, but over here I want to open up my sandbox. So I'm going to go down to my sandbox, I'm going to click on sandbox, and now I have two tabs. One that has my Canvas on it, a second one that has my sandbox. And this will let me flip back and forth and watch videos, but then come over here and create something and then take a picture of it and come back over to the Canvas and post my picture. Okay, so this is video one, just on how to set up when you want to get started with Canvas.